Okay, let's draw figure 4. So they want us to take P and draw a line to Q. Our P is way out here. And this is a little complicated. They want us to take our waist arc. Mine was 6.5. They want us to add a 1/4 inch. And they want us to subtract the distance from B to F. So remember, B to F is down here. I don't have my B to F connected, so I'll go ahead and connect it right now with the draft tool. So I'm going to click on B, say okay, and I'll click on where F is, and I'll say okay, sure. And then I'll right click to kind of stop that. I'll select this line and right click, and let's just look at segment length. So it's 3 inches, 3.006. Okay, close. So that's how long we have to subtract 3. So here we go, math. 6.5 plus 1/4. That's gonna be 6.75 minus 3. So 3.75 is the line that I need to draw. So I hit the D tool, click here, okay. Yes, and I guess kind of getting it. I don't know, this is a little messy at this point. I feel like happens in class too. The side one's a little bit long. That's okay. Anyways, I'll go here to the line, and we want it to actually be 3.75. Say okay. Okay. Okay, so then now we can do our dart. They want it 5/8 inch below K and H, which I guess is right over here. So I guess I can right click right now, and I should probably select this guy and just go straight down 5/8 inch. So we know where that is. We have a couple angle. It doesn't really say what angle, so I don't really want to go straight down. I think I want to do it in between where my 2 dart legs are. So I guess I'll just eyeball right here. I'll click, and I'll change this length to 5 divided by 8. And I'll say, okay, I can right click. Okay, and that will help me draw my dart legs. Okay, at this point, I can do something kind of risky, which here, maybe I'll just draw the dart legs now so we have them. It's easy to see. That. Okay. Yes. And then I'm just going to go down to this one. Okay. And right click. Okay. So finally, we really want to trace out our whole pattern. So I'm going to use the D tool to do that. And here I go. I'm going to click here, say, okay. I'm going to hold shift, get like a little curve. I can always kind of clean this up later. Okay. And then I'll click once here. I'm going to click here. Okay. No, no point creation. Oh, shoot. Yes, I messed up. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. I'll right click. Okay, so then I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna try to draw the armhole. So I'll hold a shift, like about right here. And then I'll connect it here. I do feel like that side is so low. We're definitely gonna have to do a fitting. I guess right click. And is that it? Did I draw everything? Let's see if I can actually select these pieces now. So I might have to use my internal selection tool right here, select internals. I'm holding shift here. Get the bottom here. Let's get the dart legs. Great. Get this bottom little thing. Good. This line. Don't know if it's gonna like that or not. Let's get this line. Okay. Internals. Okay, I'm gonna have to, I think, connect the center front is not connected, which might be my issue. So hit the draw tool, click. Yes. Okay. And click. Yes. Okay. Right click. Okay, let's see if we can select everything again. Hey, that's good. Grab my dart legs. Bottom, waist, side seam, armhole, shoulder, neckline. Okay. Let's go to internals. Oh no. Not white, letting us copy it yet. Okay. Well, it is done being, oh, here we go. Maybe hold shift and get that. Let's try it now. Internals. Nope. Maybe because they're not connected. I'm not so sure. Okay, so I think what I might do at this point is just start deleting stuff so it's easier to see. I don't need you. I don't need some of these internal lines. Okay, so I'm hitting delete at the top of my keyboard. Backspace did not work. Click. Ooh, I only want just this one line. Click deleted though. Okay. I don't need that anymore. I don't need you anymore. I don't need this. I don't need this. Ooh, I do need part of that though. I guess I could delete it and just redraw it if that's giving me trouble. Oh no, okay, it's still there. I don't need that. Okay, I don't need this thing. Okay, and maybe I'll change this. This is like my, I'm gonna hit the selection tool again. This is my like fabric, and the red thing is like internal lines. So like, I guess piece is the right word. What if I select this and select segment? Okay. Let's try that again. Is it gonna let me select just the point or is that not allowed? Maybe I have to move point. Okay, here we go. Move point, Q. There we go, that's what I wanted. I'll say okay. And then this point, oh, I wonder if the thing's connected to it. That's okay. And then I'm gonna just, what happens if I move this one? Okay, and then what if I move this one? Okay. Okay. And then I'll hit the draw tool and I'll draw from here to here. Bring that back. Yes. Okay, let's see if I can then now make this a piece. Let me try. Select the internal lines. Here we go. Let's get you selected. Oh, okay. Select internals. Okay, you know what? I can click and drag. Yes, that's what I will do. And I don't really want that one selected, but oh well. Oh wow. Internal, no, it still won't let me do it. Okay, we can do this. Okay. Selected Y. Okay, internals, nope, not quite. Okay, what if we do extend internal? I'll say, okay. Internal, no. Okie dokie. So I think what I'll do next is just try redrawing it from scratch. Let's try that. So I'm gonna click here and I'll say, okay, and then I'll hold shift. I'll say, okay, and then I'll click here. Okay. Oh, and it stopped. Okay, that's not ideal. Ooh, oh, Tuka CAD. So much fun. Okay, let's try it again. What if it just let me select it now? I wonder if because these aren't all adjoined, if that's why it's not working. I don't know. Copy internals. Let's try that. Can I paste them? What if we then made a nice big square? That's okay. This, I wish I could just click and drag it. Life is not that easy. Let me find my little window. Oh. Are we allowed to draw pattern pieces? We're not allowed to draw a pattern piece. Just kidding. I didn't want to do that. Oh, here it is. I found it. Tricky, tricky. Okay, so let's try, let's try 20 inches. 20 inches. Okay. Great. Now, well, let me paste those internals that I copied. No, that's silly. You should be able to paste. Okay, edit. Yeah, no. Okay, let's try again. Maybe it's because no, that shouldn't be it. Those are connected there. Seems like they're all selected. I feel like you should just go to internal piece, but not today. So why don't we try copy? Okay, try copy internals. And now let's click here. No pasting, right? No. Great. Okay. We're very close. We are very, very close. We have our shape. Now we just got to figure out how to turn it into a pattern piece. Okay, so let's figure out how to do that. Yeah, okay. It would let me, probably not going to let me draw. Let me try drawing it. I wonder if we can lock these. Is that possible? Well, I guess I will try drawing another thing right now. So click. Hold shift. Click. Click. No point connection. Click. Hold shift. Click. Come down. No point connection. Those must be why I can't make a shape because they're not connected. Maybe they're open. Nope. Up here. Click here. Click here. Okay. Yes. Finish drafting. Oh, I like that it's selected. Internals, internal to piece. Yeah. There it is. Great. So this guy, I'll delete. I don't need him. I really don't think I need him, but I could just say delete from work area if I don't want to look at it. Yay, and here is my front sloper pattern piece. So we did it. It's been drafted in Tuka CAD. Now we just need to print it out and give it a fitting. Obviously, we have to draft the back as well, but it definitely is in need of a fitting by the looks of it.